Hey guys, are you want to buy best retractable extension cord? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best retractable extension cord that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Giraffe Tools extension cord. The Giraffe Tools retractable hose reel is a game changer for garden care, combining durability with convenience. Its patented lock mechanism secures the hose at any length, while the specially designed stop ball protects it during retraction. The auto rewind system neatly rolls up the hose without tangling or kinking, making storage effortless. Equipped with a 100 feet, half-an-inch hybrid hose, it's built to withstand all weather conditions, passing both 116 psi pressure and 600 psi burst tests for leak-proof reliability. The 180 degrees rotation bracket ensures full coverage of your yard, and the quick release system allows easy removal for storage. A 9-pattern spray nozzle makes it versatile for watering, car washing, and more. With simple installation, premium build quality, and professional lifetime support, this hose reel is a must-have for effortless garden maintenance. Now our second product is DEWENWILS extension cord. The DEWENWILS extension cord reel is a smart, compact solution for keeping your workspace organized and powered. With its swivel crank handle, winding and unwinding the 25 feet 16/3 SJTW weather-resistant cord is quick and hassle-free, ensuring neat storage every time. This reel goes beyond standard function, featuring 4 grounded outlets plus 2 USB charging ports, 3.4A total, perfect for powering heavy-duty tools while also charging phones, laptops, or speakers. Built with a durable plastic cover, it's both weatherproof and dustproof, UL listed for safety, and designed to last. A built-in 13A circuit breaker with on-off switch provides overload protection, automatically cutting power to prevent damage. Lightweight at just 3.12 pounds with a portable handle, it's easy to carry between garage, yard, or workshop. Compact, reliable, and versatile, this cord reel is a must-have for any DIYer or professional. Our third product is BOLTGY extension cord. The BOLTGY retractable charger tower is a powerhouse designed for modern households and offices. With 21-in-1 functionality, it features 15 AC outlets, 3250W, 2 PD30W USB-C ports, and 4 USB-A ports, allowing you to charge or power up to 21 devices simultaneously, from laptops and tablets to TVs and printers. Its fast charging technology ensures efficient power distribution without interference between USB-C and USB-A ports, while the 6.5 feet retractable copper cord with reinforced design provides durability and clutter-free storage. Safety is a priority, with overload and surge protection, plus a built-in circuit breaker to safeguard expensive electronics. Adding a touch of convenience, the tower includes a multicolor night light with auto and on modes, making it easy to locate in the dark or double as gentle nighttime lighting. Reliable, versatile, and secure, perfect for busy homes and workstations. Now number 4, KMC extension cord. The Surge Twist 3 portable power strip is a compact yet powerful solution for managing multiple devices. With 3 AC outlets, 1 USB-A, and 1 USB-C port, it lets you charge up to 5 devices simultaneously, making it ideal for home, office, or travel use. Equipped with 735 joules of surge protection, it safeguards your valuable electronics from unexpected power spikes. The 5-foot retractable extension cord neatly twists into the built-in reel, while its low-profile plug easily fits behind furniture for a clutter-free setup. Certified by UL/ETL and rated at 10A125 V1250W, this power strip ensures both safety and reliability. Backed by a lifetime warranty and a 5,000 connected equipment warranty, plus responsive US-based support, it offers both peace of mind and convenience. A smart, travel-friendly choice for safe and organized power management. And our last choice is Link 2 Home extension cord. The Link 2 Home 40 feet retractable extension cord reel is a heavy-duty, outdoor-ready solution for powering multiple devices with ease. Equipped with 3 grounded outlets and 2 USB ports, it ensures you always have power where you need it, whether in the garden, backyard, or workshop. The 14AWG SJTW cable provides reliable performance, while the easy grip handle and autolocking system make cord management smooth, tangle-free, and convenient. Its on-off switch with light indicator adds extra usability for quick control. For safety, this reel includes a built-in circuit breaker with overload protection, automatically shutting off when voltage or current exceeds limits. ETL certified and rated at 13A125 V1625W, it delivers both durability and peace of mind. Practical, sturdy, and versatile, this retractable extension cord reel is a must-have for anyone needing portable and organized outdoor power. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.